Very good morning, children. Welcome to the class Sociology. Today, after completing the fourth chapter of Sociology, part 1, I am going to take the lesson 5. Fifth lesson I am going to take, that is pattern of social inequality and exclusion. Today I am going to tell you about inequality. What is inequality? Let us discuss about the inequality. In the previous chapter we have discussed about the caste, about the different weekly market and all, and today we will discuss in a social equality. In a social equality, let us come to know what is in social equality. In social equality is the access of unequal opportunity and rewarded for the different social position or status within a group or a society. It is related with a society. For example, we can say that income gap, gender, inequality, health care and social class, and also sex, skin color, eye shape, place of birth, sexually gender identity. These all are in inequality. What is different between skin color? If we talk about, suppose your color is fair and your friend color is black, so this is difference between it. Understand? Social inequality, when we are doing some discriminations, when we are not saying that inequality, the social inequality, when resources is given a society as a distribution unevenly, typically through the norms of allocations. Person from the well family, or okay, let me tell you something. When a person is belong to some well family and can afford expensive and higher education, and so can acquire a culture as a education capital, relatives and friends, access to be a good advice, recommendations and informations, he get a good job. Suppose a person who is very rich, he can afford a good education, but a poor people cannot afford an good educations. He can perform, but not a good university he cannot go through to for his studies. Understand? जैसे एक पर्सन जो बहुत ही रिच है, वो एक अच्छी एक्सपेंसिव हायर एजुकेशन ले सकता है. ही कैन एक्वायर ए कल्चर एज ए एजुकेशनल कैपिटल, जिसे हम पूंजीवाद कहते हैं, रिलेटिव्स, और एक अपने दोस्तों को, रिलेटिव्स को अच्छी सलाह दे सकता है. ही कैन रेकमेंड और इंफॉर्मेशन ही गेट, एंड थ्रू दिस मनी, if he is very rich, he can get a good job also. Understand? जैसे एक संपन्न परिवार का व्यक्ति अपनी आर्थिक पूंजी के जरिए महंगी और उच्च शिक्षा को प्राप्त कर सकता है. इस तरह एक पुअर पीपल कैनॉट एफोर्ड एक महंगी गाड़ी नहीं रख सकता, एक अच्छी हायर एजुकेशन नहीं ले सकता. अंडरस्टैंड? तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, हम बात कर रहे थे एक संपन्न परिवार का व्यक्ति अपनी आर्थिकता पूंजी के जरिए महंगी और उच्च शिक्षा प्राप्त कर सकता है. इस तरह वह अपनी आर्थिकता पूंजी को संस्कृति और क्षणिक स्वरूप दे सकता है. और उसी प्रकार एक अन्य व्यक्ति अपने प्रभावशाली मित्रों से, संबंधों से के जरिए एक अच्छी सिफारिश कर सकता है, एक अच्छी सलाह कर सकता है, एक अच्छी नौकरी को पा सकता है. देयर आर टू मेन वेज ऑफ मेजर ए सोशल इनक्वालिटी. इसके दो कारण हैं. इनक्वालिटी, सोशल इनक्वालिटी. सोशल इनक्वालिटी देयर इज टू वेज. इनक्वालिटी ऑफ कंडीशंस, उसकी कंडीशंस क्या है. इनक्वालिटीज ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, जो आपको एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है. In the same way, let me tell you what is inequality of condition. Let us talk about it. Inequality of condition refer to unequal distributions of income, wealth, and material goods, housing. For example, we can say the inequality of condition within the homeless and those are living in housing and projects sitting at the bottom of in a high race where those are living in multi-million dollars mansion sit up at the top. जो बहुत ज़्यादा rich है, they are on the top. Some people are where और वहीं पर some people are poor, unstable and plagued by the violence where other are invested in by business and government so that they are thrive and provide safe secure and happy condition for their inhabitants. Because एक अमीर आदमी एक अच्छी ज़िंदगी जीता है, एक्सपेंसिव हायर एजुकेशंस लेता है, वहीं पर those who are not able to afford a higher education उसको वो प्राप्त नहीं आती. अपनी पैसे के ज़रिए अपनी इनकम के ज़रिए he can get a good job also, but poor people cannot have so much money. वो अपनी एक सिफारिश नहीं किसी से कर सकता. अंडरस्टैंड. इनक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है? इज दैट अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस ऑफ लाइफ. कैसे अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है? अनइक्वल मीन्स नॉट इक्वालिटी, नॉट इक्वल. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर फ्रेंड वन इज टॉल एंड वन इज शॉर्ट. माना एक आपका दोस्त है, एक बड़ा है, लंबाई में बहुत बड़ा है, दूसरा बहुत लंबाई में छोटा है. तो ये क्या है? ये दे आर नॉट इक्वल. अंडरस्टैंड. इनइक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी इज दैट अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लाइफ. किस तरीके से हम लाइफ में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं. चांसेस एंड क्लोज इंडिविजुअल लाइक लेवल ऑफ इक्वेशंस, हेल्थ स्टेटस, ट्रीटमेंट बाय क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम. जो जस्टिस है, जो गरीब लोग हैं उनकी इतनी सुनवाई नहीं होती. ही वॉज ट्रीटेड बाई ए क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन से द स्टडीज हैव शोन दैट कॉलेज एंड यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर्स आर मोर लाइकली टू इग्नोर दोज मैन फ्रॉम द वुमेन एंड पीपल ऑफ कलर. कुछ ऐसा भी होता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी में जो प्रोफेसर्स पढ़ाते हैं वो कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, व्हाट हैपन, दे आर इग्नोरिंग from women and people of color due to the color. जो मैंने बताया था in the very beginning which I have told you that what I have told you कि that social inequality is the existence of unequal opportunity. किसमें? and rewarded by a different social position or status within the gap of a society. क्या gap क्या है सोसाइटी का? income gap, gender inequality, health care, social class, sex, skin color, eye shape, place of birth. These all are inequality. So what happened? We are talking about like a level of equations, health status, treatment by criminal justice system. Studies have shown that the college of the university professor are more likely to ignore email that from the woman and people of color due to color, and they are ignored those white men and one which are privileged the education outcomes of white men by connecting a based of amount and mentioning the educational resources to them. Discriminations of the individual community and institutional level of major part of the process of reproducing the social inequality of race, class, gender and sexual. Example, women are systematically pay less than the men for doing the same work. What is different between that? The same work, if the man is working in a factory in any company and women are also working, why the man is getting less money in compare of woman? Sorry, why woman is getting less money in compare of men? Why? This is what? This is inequality. This is what? It is discriminations के भेदभाव है. Understand children? And one more thing, inequality, economic, social, life, chances of opportunity are not equally अवेलेबल टू एवरीवेयर, ये सब चीज़ें अवेलेबल हर जगह नहीं होती हैं, अंडरस्टैंड। दे आर लेस फॉर दिस सप्रेस्ड कास्ट, अनकास्ट को लेके। And social inequality, difference shown to the people in the society. Why they are showing a difference between the society, positions in the society of status of in the society become much more important, सबसे ज़्यादा एक महत्वपूर्ण बन गया है, understand। economic, that is property, finance, income, social standing and connections. Example, getting a job through how, by qualification, connections, money. And social inequality is more due to the group and one belong to society lives rather than in natural difference and existence. Okay, and see you in the next class, and we will continue this lesson. Thank you, and watch the video and comment me, and please see what is inequality. I have given you inequality, two ways of the inequality. Which are the two ways of the inequality? Just now I told you. Watch the video very nicely. The two main ways of measure the social equality को measure करने के लिए दो तरीके हैं, दो वे हैं, inequality of conditions and inequality of opportunities. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.